Hello, welcome to Swarup Ki Rasoi. Today I am going to upload a very innovative recipe. It is milk cake with chili flakes. Hope you like my recipe. If you like my recipe, do not forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Take 2 cups of milk powder in a microwave safe bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt and mix it well. Then add 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes and mix it well. It can be adjusted as per taste. Add further milk powder and mix well to reach consistency as shown in the video. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar and mix well. It can be adjusted as per taste. Then place it in the microwave and cook on full power for 2 minutes. Squeeze half a lemon into it and mix well. Add 1 teaspoon of cardamom and nutmeg powder and mix it well. Then flatten it with the back of the spoon as shown in the video. Then place it in the microwave and cook for further 1 minute. Remove from the microwave and flatten it again with the back of the spoon as shown in the video. Refrigerate for 1 hour and then cut it into pieces. Transfer it to a serving plate and enjoy the delicious chili milk cake.